What's going on YouTube? Jose here, and I have another unboxing from ghoststop.com. That's where I get some of my ghost hunting equipment from. And I got the package in the mail today, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Show you what I got for when I go on my ghost hunting adventures. Alright, let's see here. There's the case that I ordered. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. I'm going to set that aside. See if there's anything else in here. No. Alright, so they must have put the items in the box. Cool. Alright. The case. It's plastic. Thick though. Heavy duty feeling. I got the clips on the side. Show you what I got. Alright. I got some stuff for my kids too. And my sister. These little orb plushies. This one's got green eyes, or yellow. Can't really. Is it gold? Green. And then this one's got one pink and one purple eye. And I already got these from a few weeks ago, so I'm going to give these to my son. Take off the little clip here. Push it down. It's a flashlight. And it's got a little clip that goes on there so you don't accidentally push it down. Turn it on. And there's a pin. And then it's got a stylus rubber thing at the end. And the glow-in-the-dark keychain. Now here's the main items right here that I got. Let's see. This is the 20,000 milliamp hour power bank that I got. It's got the micro USB for charging the power bank, USB-C to USB-C charging. Then it's got the charging ports right there that you plug a charger into. So it's got 3. And then the one to charge the power bank. 20,000 milliamp hour power pack. It says Ghost Stop. So I picked this up because you never know when you're on the road if you're going to be able to charge your devices or whatever. If you're going to have access to the car charger when you're with other people. So it would come in handy. And especially when you're doing your investigations, you don't want your devices running dead on you when you're out there trying to do some paranormal investigating. So I picked that up. And then this is the Phasm full spectrum light, all-in-one full spectrum camera light with night vision and color selection control. Features independent lighting controls, infrared night vision, visible light color selection, ultraviolet light, brightness controls, rechargeable battery, Settings, display screen, tripod and magnetic mounting. Let's see, here we go. Oh, here's the charger for the power bank right there. Let's see, this is for the spectrum light. It's got 56 infrared LEDs, and then it's got 4 visible colors and 4 ultraviolet UVs. It's got a screen here. I'll show you. But IR switch on and off, UV switch on and off, setting display screen, visible light color switch, power button, USB-C charging port. And it's got magnets on it, so you can hook up different ones to it. Other Phasm lights to it. And it does on the bottom have place where you can screw into a tripod or something like that. And I got an extra tripod mount for mine, just in case I didn't have a spare. It's always good to have an extra one, so I can mount it to the other light on my kit. And it says to remove this plastic film. I don't want to scratch up the screen. Let's see here. Alright, this film's trolling me. I'll take it off later, but let's just see if it's got any power. It's got a little. And it's got different colors on it. Yeah, let's see. Red, orange. And it tells you to on the display, if I can get it to focus. Orange, yellow, green, blue. That's pretty cool. Cyan. There's the purple and white. And it went off. I think it died on me. Yeah, it died. Alright. There's that. And then they got cards for the directions. Phasm light's pretty cool though. Can't wait to check that out. There's the charging port. I'm going to charge it and do a review on it later on this stuff. But I gotta go to work today here in a few hours. So I'm gonna charge the stuff, and I'll have another video on this to give a full, more depth review and on the lights. Turn those off. But yeah, that's not all the stuff I got from Ghost Stop. But tonight I'll do a review on the things that I got from Ghost Stop a couple weeks ago when I went on my ghost hunting adventure out to the fort where we got caught at the end of our investigation. Guard from the prison rolled up and busted us and told us that we couldn't be out there when they're closed because it's still in operation. They got tours out there. They have tours out there, and they have gift shop where we were at, and they still use the building, and we were there during closing time late at night. And I think we left at like 12:30. So when we left from there, and then when we went to the cemetery, it was like 1 in the morning. But anyway, I'll have another video for you guys tonight when I get home from work. I'm going to completely charge these devices up and check them out more. And thank you for watching, and peace.